My name is Alfreda. I'm from Liberia and I'm giving my testimony from France. I joined the NSPPD Auto 2022 October 10. Back in Liberia, I had a stomach pain, like real severe stomach pain. When my stomach is about to hurt, it will go for like 2 days. I'm in pain. So when I came to France, I decided to visit the hospital for a medical checkup to know what is actually going on in my body. So I went to the hospital on the 30th of May, and then they scheduled me for test, because the first test they did, they said that what they were seeing in my stomach, they're feeling very big, huge knot in my stomach. So I should be open-minded. There would have been possibility of different reasons. So I should go and do the echographic test. So I was scheduled for the echographic test on the 21st of June of this year. And I went to do the echographic test. So the result came back that they were seeing a huge cyst on my ovaries, but then with traits of cancer. So based on this result, the doctor recommended that I should go and do a MRI test, then scan test to go and check whatever it is to scan my body. So they went about to do the scan. The result came back with this negative result of showing the ovarian cyst and cancerous cells. So they started to talk to me. The doctor started to encourage me that this can happen to women, but with this size of the cyst in your body, the solution here is surgery, because we're trying to help you. It's very, very big, and then we're going to take off your ovaries. I was like, no, I cannot service negativity with my thought. So I was scheduled to the doctor to prove what was actually going on, and then this was the doctor's recommendation. He had written a letter for my surgery by the 15th of July, and then he has given me a form to fill up by the 15th so that they will do my surgery. And he has given me an emergency letter that should, in case I start to feel the pain, I should just take this letter to the emergency room before the 15th of July so that they can carry on my surgery. I said I can't serve the negativity with my thought. I said surgery, losing my ovaries, and will never have children. I said no. I said that, but I was broken to admit I was down. And then I came home, I was crying. I said, God, are you going to leave me like this? Is this how you play my life? Is this how I'm going to be empty? A woman who desiring to marry. So how am I going to go to someone empty, as nothing? Put my word, just that word being mentioned, I know you have seen me. So on the 5th of July, while the prayer was going on France time, it was about 8:45 a.m. in France. And then Pastor Jerry said, they said it was cyst, but now they are saying it is cancerous. By the verdict of the Lord, it is being reversed.
They first said it was a cyst. Right now they say it's cancer. The devil is a liar. We announce, let it be reversed.
I stood up and said, God, you have seen me. You have answered my prayer. So I had another doctor appointment by the 7th so that it will confirm the cancerous traits and the cysts that they have seen, so that they will carry on the surgery on the 15th as they have said previously. So I kept saying, what God cannot do does not exist. I wrote behind my document that what God cannot do does not exist. It will not end in shame. It will not end in the way the devil has planned it. Indeed, the Lord has done it. I kept professing this voice over my life. So when I went in, the doctor asked me, are you okay? I said yes, because with my situation, I'm supposed to be in pain, and I'm supposed to be looking so exhausted from the pain. So she kept asking, are you sure you're okay? I said yes, I am okay. So when she went in to carry on the test, she will look at me and she will look at the machine. She will look at me and she will look at the machine. She said, they said you have cyst. I said that was what they said. She said, but I don't see anything here. I don't see no cyst. I don't see no cancerous traits. I don't see anything. You have a perfect system. Your ovaries are clean. Your womb is intact, and you are okay. There's no sign of cancer here. No sign of cancer of the gallbladder, sign of cervical cancer, sign of no sign of anything. And I kept saying on the bed while I was lying there, what God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do does not exist. And she spoke the French. She said, Je ne pas comprends. I said, yes, I know. You cannot understand. But Dieu merci. And she was like, I don't know what you do, but keep doing what you do. I said, yes, my God have come true for me. And she answered me, she said, yes. I said, yes. And then they surgery me because when this test had been done to confirm that yes, indeed, that you do not have this trait, after 3 months, you will be surgery. So on the 15th of October, I went back to the hospital, and this is my clean result. There's no cancer traits. There's no ovarian cyst. I have a clean verdict. The Lord have come true for me. So I've come back as that one leper this morning to say thank you to that God, to my God that have always come true for me, that have seen me in this lonely situation and came true for me. For what God cannot do does not exist. And I say, Pastor Jerry, thank you for allowing us to grow in faith, to be able to speak a word through faith and hold on to it and believe that yes, indeed, we serve a God that have always seen us.
Somebody celebrate the Lord in this video. Celebrate. If you know a miracle is coming your way.